everyone. Okay. Good night. And this is me, Aida, and this is my vlog today. Okay, let me explain for you why this is so darkness here. Because at my house, it's light is turned off. Yeah, everyone turn off this night. It's not by me. Yeah, we don't have light here. That's why maybe I'm late for uploading this video. I'm so sorry. I hope you understand me my lecture. And look at this. I just go home and then just rest and making video. But tonight I have this problem. I'm so sorry. Here so darkness. Yeah, I know that. I hope this is not dark again after I make this video. I hope turn on again. So just waiting for some minutes. Okay guys, I just come back. My light is turned on again. I'm not dinner yet because I'm just waiting this light to turn on again. What? So long for waiting this light here, guys. See what the hell? What is that? Must be a village. I don't like this. What? Why? What if night always like this? Here I just waiting and sleep for a minute, but so noise at my house, so I can't sleep. I never sleep. It's so really noise here. People just wanna laughing too much, but my mood want to laugh because I was tired of so many assignment. Please, everyone is not comfort me. I say just calm down, and people already calm and again making sound so noise here. Yeah, just hear this one. Yeah, so really noise, right? I'm not lying, guys. Just here at my house. Just here. I'm really annoyed about this one. I'm so annoyed. I can rest here. Oh, so sorry. Look at this, I'm so sleepy, but I cannot sleep here. I don't like this guy to help me, so help me, please. What is this? This situation is not good for me making video. I wanna go out here. Wanna go out, maybe wanna go for making a video. I don't know how to say. So confused. And what is it so noisier? My gosh. My gosh. I just want to make a vlog for this and I don't want here this is everything here. Making a sound and make everyone annoyed. It's really not good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Before that, my friends say, she's the one, two my friend uh, dream about me. It's really unique, right? She's she's have different about her dream about me. And to my friend dream me at one friend dream of me because sad ending and number two my friend dream about me uh have happy ending. It's really different. My gosh. And my reaction is like wow, different ending. Two people dream of me. It's really unique. Okay, this is me again. This is have a good like here. So continue of my vlog for today because I was sleepy. I wanna rest, yeah, for today. And this is me. Uh, yeah, just continue about my friend's story today. Yeah, my friend said they have dream of me. I don't know what is that. Why two friends can dream about me and at the same time with a different ending. The one have a sad ending and one of friend is have a happy ending with me. It's like the one the one say wear white clothes like this, yeah, and she crying because of me and because I die pass away, yeah. I don't know what is that. Why can't be like this? And I'm so really shocked. I just ask why you can dream this is so scared. And she said don't wear white clothes. Yes, she said that. What is this? I don't know. Just wear white is not making your dream like that. I say this. This is just your dreams like that. And one friend have happy ending. She really liked this dream, and she really give me small gift, yes, like this. And we play together. I'm so excited. Yeah, because so really happy ending. That's why we happy together. And I'm also happy because wow, it's really her dream is more happiness. It's like best flower there, and like perfume there, more perfume from me, and we like meet up because we haven't meet up for a long day, for a long time. That's why we really happy ending there. Wow, this story from my friend is will make me have like confused and happy. I mean like two story at different versions make me like wow, my feeling is really confused. I wanna happy or sadness. The line guys see. Because to my friend tell me today and tell me about the um yeah dream. That's why I know. They suddenly tell me when I arrive at home because I just got home from campus. No, we sweet story together. My friend was crying, guys. Like I say to her, don't crying, just dream. But her cry until real life. Her have like tears. Yes, it's really unique. I also make her calm down because this is just dream and not real. Yeah, maybe her so scared of losing friend like me. That's why her crying so much and make me shocked. Yeah, yes, guys. Okay, thank you for um listening my story today of my friend who made me feel like a roller coaster because of the dream for today, and I was shocked. Yeah, because this is the first time my two friends dream of me at the same time. It's like wow, so interesting. Okay, this is for last video blog for today. I just want to say thank you so much for your attention, guys, and thank you for listening me again. Bye bye. Bye bye again.